Hey guys, welcome to ClickBank's YouTube channel. Wait, we've been on YouTube this entire time? No one told me. I just thought I was just filming this for posterity, but allow me to introduce myself. My name is Michael. I work with affiliates every day on ClickBank, so I know what makes quality affiliate offers you'll want to promote. I know them inside and out, from the best to the worst, to the meh, to the mid, to the so demure, so special, so clean. So lucky for you, I've got 5 of them hot off the presses right now. So let's talk about some top health products on ClickBank today. You know it. At number 5, we got ProstaVive, which is a powdered formula that supports prostate health and overall vitality. Yeah, the vitality is good in this one because it's designed for a male audience over 40, but it also appeals to women purchasing for the men in their lives because you know what? They gotta take care of their health and not just play video games all the time. So, for you affiliates though, you'll love the high commissions of $140 plus and the included affiliate resources and tools. Most importantly, you'll love the optimized sales funnel that gets conversions. Yeah, because that's what makes you some money. So, thanks to responsive affiliate support, a quality product, ProstaVive is a great choice for affiliates looking to earn significant commissions in the health niche. So go, promote it today, and let's talk about why it's so good in those numbers. It's got an earnings per click of 78 cents, an average payout value of $141.18, and a hot conversion rate of 0.55%. If you're looking at that and being like, everyone is promoting during this month. So we tend to see those hot conversion numbers start to get compressed down by a lot of the new traffic that is just starting to get into the whole place and really trying to get things to convert. But the experts are seeing things over 1%. So go promote it. It's great. All right, at number 4, we got NanoDefense Pro, which bills itself as a revolutionary antifungal solution that can help individuals struggling with nail fungus. The formula is designed to penetrate the protective fungal cocoon using nano ingredients, enabling it to reach and effectively destroy the fungus and I assume turn into a butterfly. It has a promise of healthy, strong nails, eliminating issues like odor, itching, and burning. And with a primary audience of individuals over 30, that's a huge targeting audience. So that means NanoDefense Pro performs like magic across most of the popular platforms like Facebook, YouTube, email, native, whatever it is, it performs really well. So go to the marketplace, go to the affiliate tools, get all of your best creatives, links, and let's talk about why this is so good in the numbers. It's got an earnings per click of $1.32, an average payout value of $148.26, and a hot conversion rate of 0.89%. Yeah, starting to see those numbers go up the higher we go onto the list. Likewise, there are a lot of newbies promoting all of these, so experts are seeing conversion rates even higher than that. So go test it and go make yourself some money. You're gonna wanna hear about this. We have a brand new, amazing tool built for ClickBank affiliates called Ember. It's an AI tool to help you with ad copy, to help you with creatives, to help you with, I don't know, maybe relationships with your cat. Maybe you need that and that's gonna make you a better affiliate marketer. But for the most part, it's for helping you be a better affiliate for getting better copy, better ads, better creatives, and better landers. It is amazing. You're gonna wanna click the link below to learn more. Our number 3 offer this time around is Quietum Plus and a supplement tackling tinnitus offer. They claim that the issue lies deeper in the brain rather than the ears themselves, and that product can help regenerate damaged connections between the ear cells and the brain, which leads to improved hearing and brain function. So, Quietum Plus performs best with both men and women ages 45 and older who are interested in alternative health and natural remedies for tinnitus. You want to find out more about it? You know where to go. It's the ClickBank Marketplace. I've been saying it the entire time. It's in the marketplace. And you should go there for this offer because earnings per click, 87 cents. Average payout value, $125.41. And a hot conversion rate of 0.69%. It's amazing. Test it. Go. Help people hear again. At number 2, we got ProDentim, and it just keeps on kicking. It keeps on performing. It keeps on making people money. And what is it? It's a melting probiotic candy targeting the mouth flora, dentition, respiratory act, allergies, digestion, weight loss. I don't even know half the words that are in this list, and it helps them. As always, ProDentim comes with high affiliate earnings and potential due to its unique format and endorsement by a doctor. Not 4 out of 5, just 1 out of 5 for this one, or 1 out of 1. The affiliate program offers generous earnings potential with average payouts hovering around $140, and affiliates can apply for approval to access extra resources as well. You'll want to jump on board this fast-moving train, my friends, so start promoting it today because these numbers are out of this world. It has an EPC of $1.12, an average payout value of $138.95, and a hot conversion rate of 0.8%. It's great. Promote it. Last but not least, let's get to the #1 product on ClickBank right now, and it is Mitolyn. Mitolyn is the brand new weight loss supplement offer on the street, and it promises to unlock your metabolic power and help you burn calories and feel great. The product features amazing commissions of up to 85%, an average sale of nearly $150, and strong earnings per click approaching nearly $2, man. That's insane. Like, can we just say that's really good? The affiliate landing page is a hybrid with more of an e-com feel with the direct response elements tied right in there. The Powerhouse Supplements is optimized for maximum conversions on all devices. It comes with top-notch affiliate resources, including emails, images, and multiple landers. So you're gonna wanna get in touch with their affiliate manager and visit the marketplace listing to find out more because it is seriously amazing. Earnings per click, $1.71. Average payout value, $147.65, and a hot conversion rate of 1.15%. My goodness, it's a good offer. And it is converting like bananas right now. You're not gonna wanna miss out on it. So go to the marketplace, get all your stuff, start promoting and get approved for it. Go, go. What are you waiting for? Seriously, go. Okay, so that's what I got for you this time around in February 2025. If you liked it, it only makes sense that you hit that like button. Wanna know why? Because it makes me feel special. It makes me feel liked because no one here likes me. You like me, but they don't. So, what am I supposed to do? Like, I can't hang out with words in a comment section. Like, they don't talk back, they don't do anything, and then you have to wait for the words to type back. I really don't know how comment sections work yet, but I promise once I get a hang of it, I'm gonna crack this code. But the most important thing, if any of these top offers caught your eye, go to the marketplace, start testing them, promote it, and find your next winning offer. So until next time, happy scaling and go make yourself some money.